You've reached the end of the alphabet in the first prayer. Now the real journey begins. Let's see what's ahead. Greetings, dear learner. Your dedication shines like a lantern in the night. You've mastered the letters and felt the first verses of the Quran. The next step is to deepen connection through memorization and proper breathing. Start with short, powerful surahs, Al-Ikhlas, Al-Falaq, An-Nas, Al-Asr, and Al-Fil. These are short, easy, and packed with meaning. Listening to sacred Ayat Live's recitations will strengthen your ear and reinforce your memory. Meanwhile, study the basic tajweed rules. Begin with the four fundamental sounds: mad, elongation; guna, nasalization; igrab, strong consonant; and sakt, silence. Applying these will make your recitation sound beautiful and correct. Remember, consistency is key. 40 minutes a day, even in short bursts, will build a firm foundation. Let us look at 5 examples. 1. Al-Ikhlas. Qul huwallahu ahad. Say, He is Allah, one. 2. Al-Falaq. Qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq. Say, I seek refuge in the Lord of the Dawn. 3. An-Nas. Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas. I seek refuge in the Lord of mankind. 4. Al-Asr wal-Asr, by the time. 5. Al-Fil. إِذْ يَقُولُ فِرْعَوْنَ لِلْمَلَائِكِ, when Pharaoh told the angels. Notice the rhythm, the short pauses, and the gentle rise-fall of the voice. Repeat after me. 1. قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ. 2. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ. 3. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ. 4. وَالْعَصْرِ. 5. إِذْ يَقُولُ فِرْعَوْنَ لِلْمَلَائِكِ. You've learned the next steps. Memorize short surahs, listen daily, study tajweed, and practice breath control. Keep your heart open and your mind focused. Subscribe, join our community, and in the next series we'll dive into tajweed in depth and share stories of the Prophet. Until then, keep reading and keep growing.